Virgo, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Thank you so much, Virgo. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Ano yung mga strong energies and messages for Virgo on love and romance. Virgo, please. Okay. Merong reciprocity. I want to have equal give and take. Okay. Unappreciated. I felt like you didn't care. Okay. Someone feels unappreciated. Okay. Unexpected outcome. Things didn't go the way I planned. Merong disappointment. Confusion. I feel unclear about where we stand. Okay. So, definitely, kailangan ng give and take sa situation. Parang isa lang ang nasa relationship. Okay. Hindi balance. Someone is left out. Okay. Someone feels that way, Virgo. Maybe this is you or the other person. Someone is confused. Okay, parang hindi niya na alam kung ano na ang status or anong situation sa relationship nyo. Okay. Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages from the tarot for Virgo, please. Virgo. Virgo. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, someone is left out in the cold. Feeling niya parang siya lang. Nag-iisa siya sa relationship. May nalulungkot. May disappointment. Okay? Kailangan ng action sa relationship. Kailangan ng give and take. Somebody wants to be with you, Virgo. Or this is you. It's the other way around. Take mo lang kung ano yung resonate sa inyo, sa inyong sitwasyon, Virgo. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, maybe you are dealing with a fire sign, Leo or Aries. Knight of Cups. Someone wants to express kung ano yung nararamdaman niya sa inyo. Gusto niyo mag-propose, gusto kang ilabas, okay? Yeah. Yayain lumabas. Kailangan ng planning about money, about security, okay, about home or finances. Yeah. Merong plans, may mga plano, okay. just waiting for the right timing. There is success and happiness. Yeah, moving in together. Yeah, you will come up with a decision, both of you, about na ikakatuwa, ikakasaya ninyo, Virgo. That's my key. Yeah, so your person, gusto niya na makasama ka, Virgo. May mga plans siya with you. Okay. Maybe nagkaroon ng problema or hindi pagkakaayos. Okay, so your person, gusto niyang nakipag-ayos sa inyo. Gusto niya masolusyonan or resolution sa inyong issues. Okay, kung may mga concerns man. Someone is financially drained. Okay, or nag-iisa, nalulungkot. Feeling niya parang may kulang, okay, sa situation niya. Okay. Okay. But your person, you feel that you want to free yourself from negativities, okay? Free yourself from expectations at the same time. Ayaw mo na may restriction, okay? Yeah. You also feel that your person is free. Parang may freedom siyang gawin kung gusto niyang gawin. Okay. You want that your person, mag-take man siya ng action, mag-take din siya ng action para sa relationship nyo. Parang itama kung ano man yung pagkukulang or pagkakamali. What is the Two of Wands, please? Yeah. Yes. So, gusto ng person mo na magkaroon ng pagkakataon, okay? When this is finances, somehow. Yeah. Financial freedom to be with you. And masagot ko ano man yung mga kailangan financially. He or she needs money, okay? Improvement ng finances to come to you, Virgo. Okay, marami siyang plans, okay? Parang nagde-daydream na siya of you being together. Of being together with you, Virgo. Okay? Yeah. Maybe he or she is thinking about travel, moving in together, traveling, okay? He or she wants to see you physically. He wants to meet you and be together with you. Okay? Yeah, King of Swords. So, parang merong gustong sabihin sa inyo ang person ninyo. Okay? Yeah. Gusto niya i-correct kung anong kailangan itama, kung meron mang pagkukulang. Okay? Verbally. Yeah. Gusto niya ng equal give and take in the relationship. Okay. Gusto niya ng patas. Gusto niya maging patas with you. At masolusyonan kung ano man ang mga masolusyonan kung ano man ang naging issues sa inyong relationship, kung ano man yung mga kakulangan, okay, gusto niyang itama, or kakulangan, gusto niya i-provide kung ano yung mga kakulangan para mabigyan ng solusyon yung mga issues or problema ninyong dalawa. Okay? Yeah, 10 of Cups. Yeah. Yeah, gusto niya i-meet yung mga expectations mo sa kanya, emotionally and financially, material things. Gusto niya maging masaya kayong dalawa, magkasama. Okay, there's a kid here, happy family, being together. Okay. Yeah, 3 of Wands. You are open to possibilities, Virgo, about sa relationship ninyo. Okay? You are being positive. You are looking forward na maging maayos kayo or magkakasama din. Maybe you will be traveling. Okay? Maybe you're going to see him or her. Overseas. Because there is water. Okay? Yeah. You are looking for an abundant future, okay? Prosperity. Na magkakasama kayo with your person. Okay. Maybe you are in a long distance relationship with this person, Virgo. Oops. Ano natin? Ano yung King of Cups? King of Wands. King of Wands. 6 of Cups. Yeah. So someone is missing home. Okay. You want that your person express niya that he or she is sorry. Okay. Taking action. I-correct niya kung ano man yung naging problema, okay? If there is an issue about children, okay? Gusto mo itama or maging responsible ang inyong person, okay? And kind and loving sa inyo or sa inyong mga anak or sa inyong relationship sa inyo. So, gusto mo mag-take siya ng action with that. Gusto mo maging responsible siya. Okay? Maging kind and generous. Okay? Yeah. Six of Pentacles, yeah. So, really, someone is feeling left out in the cold. Yung parang hindi nabibigyan ng atensyon. Okay? Walang give and take. Yeah. Your person feels na parang hindi fair ang nangyayari, okay? But magkakaroon ng pag-uusap. Okay? Kung meron mang disalignment, hindi pagkakaintindihan, there will be a give and take. Okay? Masusolusyonan kung ano man yung pagkukulang, kung ano yung mali sa nangyari. Mabibigyan ng solusyon. Okay? Five of Wands. Five of Wands. Yes. So, disalignment, arguments. Yeah, Page of Swords. Yeah. So, kailangan talaga i-clear, no? Kung ano man tong mga problema or salasabit or hindi pagkakaunawaan, hindi pagkakaintindihan, surely, merong misinformation, okay? Parang hindi tama yung pagkakaintindi sa isang sitwasyon. Merong spying and all that. Merong nag-stalk, which is nag-cause ng disalignment, okay? Hindi pagkakaintindihan, merong arguments na nangyari. But you know, kailangan lang din talaga pag-usapan ng maayos. Okay? Sa malumanay na pamamaraan, okay? Ng pag-uusap, being open, no arguments, okay? There will be understanding, give and take. There will be justice in the situation. So, kailangan lang ng pag-unawa sa sitwasyon ng isa't isa ng both parties. Okay? Yeah. Virgo, you feel that your person needs to take action and express kindness and generosity to you or sa family mo or sa situation mo. Yes, your person really wants to, gusto niya rin na magkaayos kayo sa inyong sitwasyon. Kung ano man ang naging problema, gusto niya masolusyonan. Yes. Na maibalik yung happiness, okay, trustworthiness. Gusto niya mabigyan ng solusyon, pag-uusap. There may be a problem, no, when it comes to money because someone is away. Yeah. Long distance. Someone, maybe your person miss you or the family. Yeah. So, parang yun yung ugat, maybe. Or the cause of the problem. Yun yung issues. Kaya merong argumentations, merong gulo, merong stalking, spying, getting information na kailangan ng truth. Okay? So, sa isang maayos sa pag-uusap, isang malumanay na pamamaraan ng openness at pag-uusap kung ano naging problema, there will be fair justice, okay, in the situation. Tingnan natin. Yeah. Maybe you're dealing with an air sign, Libra, okay, or Aquarius, Gemini, air sign. An Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign, okay. Yeah. Tingnan natin ano pa yung mga additional messages for Virgo, please. Virgo. Time. You are trying too hard. Give it time. Okay. Two more. Transformation. Your relationship with one another is about to deepen. Love conquers and transforms all things. Okay. Transformation. Love conquers and transforms. Power. You instinctively know what is right for you and you have the power to say no or to walk away at any time. Okay. So, these are the messages for you, Virgo. Maraming salamat sa iyo. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!